Hi, this is Steve from the UK, and today I've got a fantastic system for you. The one thing that we all need more of is leads. Leads to send to our opportunities and everything else that we might be marketing online. We could be marketing affiliate products, we could be marketing business opportunity, whatever it is that we're promoting, we need leads, we need traffic. And what this system does is not only it gives you traffic, gives you a way to make extra additional income as well, plus it gives you a full email marketing system all built in. Now below the video that you're watching from me now, you'll find a button that'll take you directly through to this page, and on the page here we've got a video that explains everything about this particular system. It's just 7 minutes long and well worth the watch. You can also scroll below the video and read the contents in text form of the video that's on this page. Obviously when you're ready to get started, and I would suggest you do that straight away because this is pretty much a no-brainer, you just click one of the buttons on the page, use my secret now, and you'll be able to get signed up. Now when I first saw this, I thought it was a traffic only generation system. I thought it was just for getting traffic. I had no idea that there was a great little compensation plan with it. So I signed up for the traffic because I'd been seeing great reports from people that have been using this system about the traffic. So I signed straight up, and when I had a look at it, I was absolutely blown away because in the back office, it really has got everything that you need. And I wish I'd had this when I was first getting started online. So if you're looking to make some money and you've never made any money online, this is a great way to get started. If you're already making money online, here's a way to boost an additional income stream, but most importantly, of course, we get leads as well. Now, I'm not going to go through every detail in the back office here, but I just want to quickly run through this for you just to show you what we've got here. So what happens with this system is you get 100 leads per day, and they drop automatically into your system here. And you can see on the page, I've got 100 leads today. I had 100 leads yesterday, and I've actually got a bonus 100 leads coming in today as well. So the bonus leads come if you share this with just one person, you get an extra bonus 100 leads per day. So boosting the number of leads you get sent into your system to 200 leads a day, and all you have to do to get those extra leads is to share it with at least one person. Now sharing is entirely optional. You might want to do just join this and use the system, use the leads, that's fine. But of course, if you share it as well, there's some money to be made there, but more importantly, there's more leads to be made. Now, in the back office of the system, you can just see down the bottom here, recent sent emails, recent sent mailings. I've actually sent one email, just sent that a little while ago. Had 28 people open that. It went to 100 people. 28 have opened it so far, and 7 have clicked and seen that. Now, obviously at the moment, that's still a pretty good open rate. 28% open rate, 25% click-through rate is very good at this stage, and that's out of 100 leads. I'd expect that to creep up a little bit over time. And what I can do is I can send an email through this system every single day. When I go over to the My Leads tab at the top, oh, by the way, let's just talk about this while we're here. There's a quick start video, explains how to do everything here, and a link directly to their support online resources. I actually asked a question here and got a response within about an hour, so great support here as well. When I look in My Leads here, you can see the leads that have been dropped into my system, and what I can do is I can click on here. I'm not going to actually do this because it would reveal on this video the emails that are in this list that I've got, and you can see I've now got 200 leads ready for me for mailing today. Okay, 200 leads will appear in 20 hours, 10 minutes, because what happens is you get those new leads dropped in every 24 hours. So here in Master Email Swipes, if you take this as an optional upgrade, I took the upgrade and it's a really sweet little thing. If you're not good at writing your own emails, it's well worth taking that upgrade. It's a very small price, about $29 for the upgrade, but it is entirely optional. And if you take it, what you do is you get 30 master swipe emails that you can use to promote any offer that you wish. Then we've got the mailing system. This is great because what you do here is you can mail by date or mail by lead partner. There's more about that in the members area that you'll read yourself. And what you can do is you can choose to send them from your name, the name that you registered the account with, or from the lead gen secret generic name. It's entirely up to you. Also on this page, a video explaining exactly how you do this. And below, here is the actual emailer that you will remove this content and put your own email in, and then literally push send as soon as the button appears here. Now you can see I've got to wait another 5 hours before I can send another email, and that's because we can send just one email a day through this system, which is a fantastic routine to get into anyway. If you're not used to email marketing, I highly recommend you just send one email per day. Diary it to do it at a specific time that suits you, and just do it every single day. Here we've got statistics. This will be statistics about the number of opens, etc. Obviously I've only sent one email through the system right now, but my sponsor has shown me what's happened in his system here, and he's getting incredibly great conversions. He's been testing this for well over a month now. So very excited about the possibility with this, and in fact you can see I've just got an extra click while we've been talking in this video. There's an affiliates area here, and in this affiliate area we've got a video explaining how you can share this system, and we've got obviously a sales page that we can share. That's from the button below this video, so you'll be able to look at that, and it explains about the compensation plan. And this was unexpected to me. I was totally not expecting that this was in the system. I thought at most this would have a single tier affiliate program, but what we've actually got is a 5-tier commission structure here. Refer as many as you want and you get commissions down 5 depths, I beg your pardon. So for every single person that you refer, you get $5, and you can see here that I've got a couple of people referred and one person has taken the one-time offer. So just straight away, by referring 2 people here, I've referred $15. Now the sweet part about this compensation plan is that every time you refer 5 people in a week, you get a bonus $100 commission. So a fantastic little compensation plan. And the last time I worked in a business with a compensation plan where if you referred 5 in a week, you got a $100 bonus, I made about $50,000. So you can do the same with this. It's a brand new system. There's also recommended advertising here. If you want to go out and buy advertising to send to the system, you can do that. And obviously there's information there to log on about your account. So it's a very sweet and simple system, as you can see. It's very straightforward to get started. It is inexpensive. It's literally $30 to be in this using this system. It's $30 to use the system. It's a $30 one-time setup fee, and you can take optionally, if you wish, the upsell to the master email swipes. That's entirely up to you. But do take a serious look at this. This is lead generation and marketing made simple. It doesn't get any easier than this. So click the link below this video to get started, get yourself signed up, and give this a test for yourself. You're going to really, really love this. It's a way to get leads, and it's a way to make money. So I'll catch you on the next video. Hopefully you found this one useful, and bye for now.